How does local family law impact Muslim women's rights? Imagine living in a new country and trying to understand how your family matters are handled legally. It can feel like navigating a maze of rules and traditions. That's what many Muslim women face when they move to different countries with their own legal systems. Local family laws play a big role in shaping their rights around marriage, divorce, child custody, and inheritance. These laws often mix with Islamic family law, which is based on interpretations of the religion's teachings. In many Muslim communities, traditional Islamic law gives men certain privileges. For example, men usually have the right to divorce their wives unilaterally through a process called talaq. They can also have multiple wives at the same time, which is called polygyny. Women, on the other hand, might need their husband's permission to get a divorce or may only be able to seek divorce if they return their dowry, known as mahr. These rules reflected a patriarchal setup that puts men in control of family decisions. When Muslim women move to countries with secular or different religious laws, their legal rights can change. Many Western countries do not recognize practices like polygyny or unilateral divorce if they conflict with their laws. Courts in these countries often step in to protect women's rights, especially when traditional Islamic laws might limit their freedom. For example, a woman in a Western nation may be able to initiate divorce without her husband's consent, which is not always possible under traditional Islamic law. Understanding these differences is key for Muslim women living abroad. They need to know what their new legal rights are regarding marriage, divorce, child custody, and inheritance. This knowledge helps them access legal support and protections that might not be available in their community's traditional practices. It also encourages them to seek legal advice that respects their religious identity but also upholds their rights. For immigrant Muslim women, local family laws can be both a shield and a challenge. While some laws restrict certain religious practices, they often provide protections against gender discrimination. Learning how these laws work helps women stand up for themselves and participate fully in their new society. It's about finding a balance between respecting religious traditions and making sure their rights are protected under the law. This understanding is a vital step towards societal integration and feeling confident in their new community's legal landscape.